To turn on Send SOS messages in Samsung Galaxy S10, open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Advanced Features. Scroll down. Tap Send SOS messages. Tap Send SOS messages, switch until blue to turn on. Tap OK. Read terms and conditions, and then check I have read and agree to all the terms and conditions above. Tap Agree. Tap Add to add contact. You can create contact or select from contacts. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.